Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Tonight, ladder racing. We got the Rowdy Rhinos taking on OTR Grid, Ron's team. In the lineup tonight for Rowdy, we've got Edge, Paul, Stephen, Brian W, and myself, Brian H. We're racing in New York tonight. What is it? The Astoria line 8 or something like that. 2 laps of that. It's a very rolling course, punchy course. Hope I can hang on. I think we did the comparison tonight. I might be one of the weakest ones in this for our lineup anyways, but hey, we'll try to hang on, right? We'll try to have a good time. We always have a good time, actually. I should say that. We always have a good time with the Rhino crew. Anyways, hope you enjoy the action. Trying to get the warm-up in here. Stick around the end for the race wrap-up. Ride on.
I need to have climb. I got everything ready.
One guy
information you could ever want.
Oh, we're good. Nobody really got hurt. I'm not moving forward. Oh, here we go.
Who's that?
I'm coming. You want to? Okay, never mind.
You're back. You're back.
Yeah, he'll be on in like 2 seconds.
Where is the red cap? I'm trying to figure out which one is Colin.
Oh yeah, just keep going.
Oh, don't make us chase. It's only them chasing. We have to chase. Huh?
I'm not pedaling.
Okay.
I'm not pedaling.
Oh God. What do you mean?
Just keep going. Oh, you're getting stopped now. All right, there we go.
Oh God. That was weird.
Something's whack.
Are you guys together now?
No.
Are you pedaling now? Because we're coming up on you.
0 watts. Oh boy.
This happened to somebody recently.
Yeah, it's
you got
on to me.
stuck in a gear. Are you do you have?
All right, so BW, Brian W, had some issues tonight with his Bluetooth connection for the race. So we ended up just basically going neutral for a bit, waiting for him to get it all sorted out. The other team was really generous to give us that opportunity to let Brian get things back connected. And it looked like it basically Ron, their captain, was going to drop out of the race and make it a 4 versus 4. But we pick it back up at about the 7-minute mark in the race, and we'll see what happens with BW and his issue tonight. So stay tuned for that.
Well, everybody's at like 3. I guess that's the end of that. Sorry, Brian. Yeah. But don't sweat it. No worries.
I never had this. I wanted this. What the hell?
Yeah, it was just your turn. It happens to all of us at some point, unfortunately.
Yep.
It sucks.
Honestly, that last update did mess up mine too, so.
It's weird. It shows everything connected, but I'm in a 0 watts. Right, you got 20 seconds to catch up to us. Yeah, I'm done. You're on now. Okay, good. There's no way.
Don't sweat it. Don't worry about it. I mean, yeah, but don't lose sleep over it. Now you can help me DS.
Okay, for game on.
Go in the light.
That's weird, because I'm sitting here warming up for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, do we follow that guy? Is that the one?
Sunshine? I think we got it. Yeah, we can follow. Don't overdo it. We'll catch him. He loves to attack the times.
Is Colin behind? Yeah, he's Colin's in the red. Okay.
think Ivanko usually has over them.
Big Sunshine is a great name.
Alright, Ivanko has blue and black hat on. Dark blue. So who's this Marks guy we were talking about that's pretty strong?
Behan.
Got it.
At the red cap with the double attack. Green socks, red cap.
He's marked himself. He's a B rider. He's got green socks. Good job.
Just push the little guys. Push up.
Man attacking. He's just bridging to you.
It's a very punchy course.
Ah, I'm back. I'm only like 100.
Well, yeah, but Ron,
And you can race him 1v1.
I carried it through my phone.
Who wants to ask him to neutralize?
No.
Ron's still riding, I think.
Yeah, just catch Ron and go 1v1.
I'm only 5 minutes back. No problem.
You can do it.
Might want to message him though, because currently they're 1 point ahead. Is Ron moving?
Yes.
Yeah. He's probably doing a workout, then we'll quit the race.
Yeah.
Unless he gets topped by Brian, then he'll go.
Yeah, exactly. I like my chances with Brian.
Yeah, me too. Well, let me in, boys. Thank you. And my heart rate should be like 135, and it's 165.
This is the 4th time I've raced these guys, although I realize I'm not racing. But I've never known them to attack unless it was full team or Sunshine. I've not raced this B-hand guy. I don't think I'm pronouncing that properly. Ivanko likes to sit in the back and cover attacks. Who went that
It's
time?
had 6 Sunshine for company.
Yep.
Ivanko is pulling all up, I think. Who's gonna attack when you get there? No pressure. I don't know, my TV's not gonna work.
Hi, Mark.
Sunshine doesn't have steering.
The sun has no arms, so.
They're all drafting you guys right now?
Looks like it.
We're drafting them, so, or were.
Huh?
You guys hear me okay tonight?
Yes.
Okay.
Your new mic is working fine, Brian. You don't have to keep checking.
I just... sorry. Not picking up my panting, so that's good. I think.
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh, I'm panting already. I think this is the 8% one, isn't it?
It's the second one. Well, actually, I can't remember.
It's just a short, quick little bump.
I just go to the front so I don't get dropped. They know I'm not a threat. Anybody with a rhino in their name can't be a threat. I mean the emoji rhino. Had to specify.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Yeah, sorry, specifying. This is the finish
when you
where
laugh. When you laugh Ron and B Dubs, they could just get in the peloton with you. And everything's good.
I'm putting out like one more watt per kilogram than he has. I'm not closing.
Did you try reconnecting?
I mean, I'm
Looks like
moving.
it's working.
Seems good.
Yeah. He's moving, he's just not closing.
It's better to sneak up on him. You're doing the right thing.
I keep seeing BW at the top to the right. Put out those watts. Don't take a shit. I gotta go.
5 minutes gap on us. 6.
Don't forget the rest, Brian.
yeah.
Oh,
Barry.
I was racing.
Hey, Barry.
We had some technicals. BW had some technical problems with his setup tonight.
You sound like you're breathing hard. You still in the race?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm only 6 minutes back.
Well, let's go. Let's go, you damn pirate. Get moving. What do you think I showed up here for?
Exactly.
Somebody-
You tell him, Barry. Gotta catch her on.
Oh, my favorite teammates all grouped together. I had to come say hello.
We missed you, Barry.
we really did.
What would Barry do in a course like this? Interesting.
He'd attack.
Oh my god, even
over here.
You have power
Feather
up
and
now.
anvil. Feather and anvil.
I'll take a feather, maybe. Feather for 200. Feather. Little push. No, I guess not.
I thought this was a different course.
Yeah, I haven't raced this course in a long time.
I thought this was Mighty Metropolitan. I'm not sure why I thought that.
Oh my lord. Don't say that. Jeez.
Yeah. Shame on you.
Oh my
We're
goodness,
doing
that's
that
a
one
swear
tomorrow.
word.
I just
That was
smacked the
gonna
head.
be- That was going to be a nice suggestion for next week against Macronia.
Good, I'm not here next week, so. Absolutely. Great course selection.
That's the last time my legs felt normal. When we raced that one.
That was a tough
Sorry.
course. You did really well.
I'm guessing power-ups are only at the finish line in that sprint banner.
Exactly.
Are we about to hit the finish line? Start finish?
Yeah.
It's an
Okay.
uphill finish for this one.
Yep.
There's that little slight downhill though, just before it though, right?
I guess I'll use my feather here.
Hold on to it.
Finish. Oh, would be. What's she doing? Push up. Push up.
Keep going, Paul.
Brian, don't pull him.
He's right there. Ivanko's 10 meters off.
He's up.
Only a second. Okay, he's 4 meters off now. He's on. What are they doing up there?
Oh. Ah,
You guys are so strong.
man, I'm too sick for this.
Doing great.
Heart rate's at like 180 for no reason.
You got it, Turret. Come on.
Yeah, he was looking for.
Oh, we can't let down the bear. He'll kill us.
You got it.
Holton. That's what it was.
Mark, if you can save your feather, don't use it on this first climb. You can
I
use it on
already
the
used it.
climb.
I already used it. I have an anvil now.
Gotcha.
Very
I was
dumb.
gonna say- Yeah.
I'm
Alright.
happy to extend this lead for you if you want it.
I was gonna say, if anybody has a feather, you don't have to use it on this first climb. We go downhill for a while. That's a good place to use the anvil. But then the feather is used on the next climb. And it's a little longer.
Did it, right? You're good? Can you all check in on Peloton, see how we're doing back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lucido's off 6 meters from Ivanko, and Ivanko is off a second. Okay, they're coming up. Coming up fast though. Lucido. Okay, he's slowed down.
I'll stop pushing.
They were drafting off of me, and I let a gap go, and then I sprinted.
Nice.
I got a little caught off guard.
It's a veteran move, yeah.
Yeah.
Ivanko's only at 2.0.
Have you gained on run there, B-dubs?
Yeah.
He's got 30 seconds.
3:29.
3.5. If you have an anvil and you're with the group for this downhill, don't use the anvil. No benefit. You can use it on another decline later in the course where nobody else will have it, and you can break away if you need to.
Understood.
However, if you're off the back and you need to get back on, then sure, use it. Myself and Brian H there.
The pace really slowed down right now. Like something's gonna happen.
They're gonna attack on this climb. That's what I'm saying. Get ready for it.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I should probably plug this in.
If you want to beat him to the attack, Brian, go now. Oh, you get a little bit of a head start. Don't crush it, just enough where they have to try to stay with you rather than them attacking us.
The sacrificial lamb.
No, you're good. Hold it right there. Don't go any harder.
Here you go, Brian. Back from the back.
There he goes.
You got to stop it. He's falling. Nice job, Brian. 5 count to recover.
Good work, Brian. There you go. Keep pushing.
Man, I'm getting pushed out of the draft like my father is in the Senate.
Right?
That's a 60 kill.
Whoa.
Here it comes.
All right. Here comes B guy. Hang in there.
Sort of played out as we expected.
It's in Kahn's favor to slow us down, Paul.
What is it?
In his favor to slow us down here. He's got 3 guys behind him.
Yeah, 7 seconds, 8 seconds. Meanwhile,
Meanwhile, back at the ranch.
do we need to message Ron to stop? So
Stop.
surely he sees B Dub behind. I mean, before it's over with, anyways. Or just tell him some intentions there, or else he could go ahead and finish.
It's fine. I'm just using him as a carrot. It's 3 minutes. I can't even see his dot. But I'm chasing.
Ow, gosh. Mm. Okay, there. Everyone is drafting well. Great job. Here's the fuel.
You want Paul and Edge on the sprint. Oh, sorry, this isn't
A
one.
little ways to go.
Yeah, sorry, wrong one.
There you go.
Yeah, sorry. I'm not watching you guys. I was thinking that's not the finish that I'm thinking of.
I think these guys all like to go down to a sprint, so dig deep. You got it.
He just used his amp. Where's that Edge?
Oh, that's him.
Him. Paul, you okay?
Get him, Ed. Stay on him.
Pulls out. Good work, Paul. And Stefan. And Brian. W. Edge taking on a B.
Yeah, just don't become a bee. Or don't want to be.
Oh boy.
Little climb. Is this the end?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't think he can beat Edge.
Come on, Edge.
You got it, Edge.
Edo.
You got it. You got it. He's not responding. You got it. You got it.
Yeah,
Yep, you got him. Nicely done. Nicely
Good
done.
job.
Hang on that
Oh,
second
so-
guy's wheel. The guy behind you has an anvil.
Oh, step in. You got it.
I don't think this is the other sprint. Hell, I don't even know. I can't see anything.
No, this is the finish line.
Come on, turn.
This is the one.
Oh,
This
come on,
is the
Stefan.
one.
Come on, Stefan. Come on, Stefan. A little further.
Push, Stefan.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You got him. Push, 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 push. Oh, that was close.
Radio truck.
Great job, Stefan. That was so
Video,
close.
you had him.
Oh boy, here we go again. Back to the videos.
3, 1, that would be 8.
26, 29.
I got 20. I got 27 for us.
Yeah, 27, 28.
Oh, shit.
My bad, guys.
We can still tell them to stop.
If both of them stop, we get
happens.
26, they get 26. We tie, but since we challenge them,
So they win.
they win.
All right, race wrap-up time. So, challenging course tonight. 2 laps there in New York, and little punchy climbs. So yeah, started out the race. BW, Brian W, had some issues. Eventually, he actually did get it sorted. So Ron, I don't know, was like, what, 5 minutes in front of him or something. He never ended up actually catching up with Ron. So Ron ended up getting 9th, and then Brian BW got 10th place there. So sprinting action at the end there, great job. Okay, so we've got we had Edge and we had Paul up front group with their rider Behan, who is actually a B ranked rider. So Edge took the sprint win there. So first to Edge, 3rd place to Paul. Great effort tonight by Paul as always. And then Stefan, who wasn't really feeling 100% tonight, but he still managed to outsprint one of their riders there at the end. So he picked up, what was it, 6th place? 6th place. And then, I came in 8th, and then it finished out. So I tried something a little different there tonight. On the second lap, on those 2 punchy climb sections, I went to the front and tried to push the pace, hoping that it would put a little dent maybe in the other team, because they'd have to, respond or would have to, go after me, whatever you want to call it, up those climbs. I don't know if it really made much difference, but hey, you got to try things on these races. You don't know what's going to happen as a result, so I tried something a little different. I don't usually do those sort of things. In the second one there, I missed the train, and on these sort of courses where there's a downhill after a climb, and if you don't get on to the back of that pack and they start accelerating, doing over 60 kilometers an hour, it's very hard to get back on, and I missed getting back on there. One of the riders, though, and I don't know which one it was, did start to slip off a little bit off the front pack there, and I was really hoping that was going to happen so I'd have some carrot in front of me that I could chase down. But their rider got back on, so that didn't end up happening. But final score, we'll post it up here, and I'd like to thank Ron and Sunshine. Sunshine, I think, is the vice captain of OTR Grit. I'd like to thank them for the race tonight. I think we still haven't managed to win against them. I'd have to check that, but I don't think we have. So we're looking forward to another rematch against OTR Grit, and we're going to get them eventually, I think. Maybe we'll pick a different type of course for the next challenge against them. But great effort everybody tonight. Edge, Paul, Stefan, Brian, and another Brian. 2 Brians in the race tonight. So as always, subscribe, like, comment, come back anytime, and ride on.